Have you ever been charged by a goat for just walking into the pen? Or maybe you've got that one goat that turns into a battering ram every time you're near. Aggressive goats are not just annoying, they can be dangerous, but here's the good news. You can fix this. Whether it's headbutting, biting, or chasing, there's a way to handle it safely and effectively. Let's dive into why goats act out and how to turn that fury into friendly behavior. The goat aggression doesn't just happen. It's their way of communicating something, and if you don't know how to read the signs, things can spiral. Understanding the root of their behavior is key to solving it. Most aggressive goats aren't mean, they're just misunderstood. So let's break down the most common causes of aggression and what they're trying to tell you. One of the top triggers? Hormones, bucks during rut. Think testosterone on rocket fuel. They're territorial, edgy, and ready to dominate. Even does in heat can become short-tempered. The fix? Consider neutering or spaying. It not only calms them down, it prevents unwanted breeding and makes herd life more peaceful overall. Goats can be possessive little creatures. Whether it's the best shade tree, the top bunk in the shelter, or first dibs at the feed trough, they'll fight for it. And sometimes you get caught in the crossfire. Dominance plays a big role in herd behavior, and when boundaries aren't clear, things get messy. A goat raised in isolation or without enough interaction becomes nervous, and nervous goats get defensive. That fear turns into aggression. Goats need time to build trust with humans and with other goats. Without that, even a simple touch can feel like a threat to them. Feeding time can be chaos if your herd doesn't have structure. Goats may push, butt, or bite their way to the feed, sometimes at each other, sometimes at you. The solution? Set up feeding stations that reduce competition and give each goat enough space. Less competition, less chaos. If a normally sweet goat suddenly becomes aggressive, look deeper. Limping? Swollen joints? Dull coat? These are warning signs. A goat in pain often lashes out, not to be mean, but because it's trying to protect itself. Always rule out injury or illness before labeling a goat as bad. Aggression rarely comes out of nowhere. Look for the early signs: headbutting that's not playful, chasing or lunging toward humans or goats, biting, nipping or tugging at clothes, staring you down, body stiff, legs ready to charge, loud, low grunting or screaming, especially during disputes. Spotting these signals early gives you a chance to step in before things get serious. From day one, your goat should know biting and butting humans is never okay. Use calm but firm correction. A quick clap, a verbal no, or redirecting their energy can go a long way. Reward calm behavior with a pat or a treat. You're teaching them what's acceptable. Consistency is key. If hormones are the root, you have to address them. Neutered bucks are calmer, easier to manage. Provide extra space, extra feeders, and sometimes temporary isolation for the bully. Goats are social, but peace doesn't come without balance. When you manage the dynamics right, the entire herd benefits. The moment a goat starts treating you like part of the herd dominance game, it's time to act. Hold your ground. Use a bucket, stick, or gate to create space, not to hurt, but to assert your presence. Stay calm, stay firm. If you panic or retreat, they'll see you as weak, and goats respect strength. Don't skip health checks. A sick or stressed goat might act out, not because it's aggressive, but because it's scared or hurting. Catch the signs early. Don't let behavior mask illness when your goat acts right. Goats are smarter than most people think. They'll quickly link good behavior with good outcomes. If you're just getting started and struggling with behavior, structure, or farm design, Kim Group Companies has your back. They offer expert farm layout plans, business proposals, and scalable solutions tailored for new or expanding livestock farms. Professional guidance means fewer headaches and fewer headbutts.